If you're looking for an options trading strategy that could double your trading account in 1 month without the huge ups and downs and swings of traditional options trading, well, I have a SPY-T trading strategy just for you. All right, seriously, how many SPY-T trading strategies are there? Well, there's SPY-T A, SPY-T B, SPY-T C, SPY-T D, and this one, SPY-T S. I recently did a comparison of these strategies, including directional and the straddle, to see which one was holding up well through this turbulent market, the ups, the downs, which one would be the most consistent. And quite honestly, I was extremely surprised. Some of my favorites, like SPY-TC, weren't as good as other ones that I was saying probably you should avoid. I made a members only comparison video and I will share these results with you in the coming weeks. However, I can tell you that SPY-TS was probably the most stable out of them all. As you may know, the SPY-T trade has 3 parts. However, the SPY-TS does one of them differently. A SPY-T trade is an overnight swing trade, and we generally use our SPY tomorrow signal, although you can use any signal you wish. But the SPY-TS trade does something a little bit different. Generally, a SPY-T trade has a 2-to-1 options ratio. But with a SPY-TS, it's actually pretty close to a straddle, except it's pointing directionally. If your indicator said up, you would buy a call just in the money, and you would buy a put, 2 strikes out of the money. So let me tell you what I did for my comparison. And like I said, I'll show the whole thing in a different video. But what I did is I took 21 days from September, late September to early November. And the reason I took those 21 days are purely because those are the days I took readings the night before the close and first thing in the morning. So I had that data available. But it included many of the biggest up days and the biggest down days. And the thing is, I didn't use a signal. I set all the trades up as if it was going to be an up day the next day. And the thing is, out of those 21 days, it was only up 10 of those days. So if we were using a signal, that means we were correct less than 50% of the time. But did we still make money? Well, on the worst days, we rarely lost more than 5%. The worst day was 12%, but you have to know, directional people lost about 73% that day. That 12% was a big loss for all of the SPY-T trades. But still, with that, over those 21 days, SPY-TS made 126%. Now, I generally don't recommend you go all in other words, risking all 100% of your portfolio. However, in this experiment, that's exactly what we did. Now, if you want to do something like that, take a percentage of your portfolio and keep doubling down. Say, take $1,000 like I did in this experiment. But be sure that's only a small percentage of your entire portfolio and have a drawdown limit, such as 25 or 50% before you quit. You should also have a plan as to when you should reduce that 100% risk reinvestment. Maybe knock it down to 75 at some point and then 50% and maybe even 25% as you make more and more money. I grant you this was only 21 trades. It's a very small data set, and I'll continue to add to that list so we can get a better picture as to how the different SPY-T trades work within different environments. And that will be helpful in future videos. I'll certainly keep you up to date because honestly, I want you to continuously grow your portfolio using the overnight trade so you don't have the stress of day trading. An options trading system you can repeat over and over again with ease. So test out SPY-TS, let me know how it went in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.